Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the register button at the top left corner and you will need to verify your identity. You can then choose between a personal and business account and just enter your first and your last name followed by your preferred email address and your desired password for your account. You can also use your Facebook, your Google or your Apple account to sign up using a shortcut. After typing in all of these credentials, click on Create Account and you will be asked to enter your phone number. Type in your phone number and click on the Continue button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone. Just check your SMS and then enter the given code and you will be prompted to connect your Windows Hello in order to sign in for a shortcut. You can click on Continue or click on the Skip button and now you will be welcomed to your brand new account that you have just created on eBay and you can directly start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.